What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Here we are in the month of May, the last month to get your entries in for the giveaway truck. So we're gonna be doing 10-time entries for the whole month, no less, no more. So if you guys missed 20-time entries last week, sorry about that, but we will not be doing that again. So don't miss out this time for 10-time entries. Good luck, everybody.
But you haven't even done anything with it.
Yeah. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to the video. All right, this is the last video you're gonna see. Well, probably except the next one, which I recorded a few hours ago. No more fucking crazy hair, but we're gonna do a little tacuache haircut for you guys, just for a little bit, just so you guys could see how I look with it. Just so you know, we could feel like we're from Texas. So yeah, we're gonna be getting a haircut today finally. Like I said, we just recorded a video. Here's a little sneak peek of it. Not a little sneak peek, that's a big ass sneak peek. But like I said, guys, well, I haven't said actually, one more month for the giveaway truck. By the time you guys watch this video, there's probably at least like 3 weeks, or a little bit less, a little bit more than 3 weeks, but yes. So for the whole month of May, we're gonna be doing 10-time entries, no more, no less than 10-time entries. We already stopped doing 20-time entries, so just 10-time entries till the end of the month. So good luck, everybody. Get your entries in, okay?
I'm trying to drink the brazier already.
Got the sunroofs open. Let's go. We're here at Brazy's house now. What? Gonna get a haircut after like 6 years. Fuck. La de la brown hood. Not so brown anymore. Damn. What's up, my boy? Give yourself a shout out.
Alright, what's up, everybody? Big shout out to everybody. Go follow my Instagram at Famoso Brazy, feel me? Cut up, all that.
What's up, bro? Give yourself a shout out.
Alright, what's good? Big shout out to all the homies watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, if you want haircuts in the IE, just follow me at Famoso Brazy. Yeah.
That's right. I'm next. So I ran a poll on Instagram to see if I should actually really do the tacuache haircut, and everybody's saying yes. So I'm gonna do it just for the video. I'm not gonna keep it like that, but just for the video.
It's gonna fucking like a lifetime right now.
Oh, I need to make a reel out of this. Can you stop touching me? I look cute. Sorry if I'm sweaty, bro.
It's all good. You want me to turn up the AC or not? I'll hang out or?
Wow. What the fuck? Where is my hair at?
¿Qué onda, cuz? Aquí ando troqueando, cuz.
Wasn't that many hairs. Just kidding. Damn. Damn.
A sneak peek.
Can you stop touching me, please? You gonna dye my hair? Or?
Dude, I was gonna have that shit done, but like with people.
What the fuck? Where is my hair at?
Like she looks confused every time she looks at me. That looks at.
Whoa. What's up, kid? Let's go take a ride in my troquita real quick. All right, so today we're gonna be heading out to Mike's house. We're gonna be filming the truck a little bit, doing some reels for you guys, because tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo. Shout out to my raza out there. Got the Mexico flag right here. Oh, right here. Brand new. Viva Mexico. Where are you guys from, by the way? Comment what state you guys are from. Me and my family, we're from La Piedad, Michoacan. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna head out to Mike's house, do some filming, record the truck, and we also got a new sponsor, guys. But we're gonna explain that kind of in this video, but mainly on the next one once we take the truck to that person. But in this one, I'm gonna be my girl's calling me. Oh yeah, we're gonna be explaining what's up with this paint job that the truck already came with, and what we're gonna do about it. So for now, let's get on our way to Mike's house. Chacon. All right, we're at Mike's house. Damn, my boy out here. Oh damn, that looks like my phone.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, look at that. So yeah, guys, that's our sponsor right there. Gutierrez Auto Works. Hit them up for any paint. They also color match the hood. But now this truck is gonna get a full paint job, which I haven't told you guys until like right now. I just told you guys. All right, so
What's up?
like I was saying, how we're gonna talk about this paint job. So whoever got this truck painted that color did a terrible job. Like, they probably wanted to pay the cheapest, so they went like with a cheap paint. That's why I'm probably dark. That's why if you guys haven't noticed, I'm pretty sure you might have noticed how the paint just like came off from here when we're taking off these things, the vinyl on the side. That's why we haven't taken this one off, because we didn't, if we were going to leave the truck the same color, we didn't want to take that off without using like a heat gun or something. But now we could just take it off, even if it takes the paint off. But yeah, so as you can see, there's no prep work whatsoever on certain parts, and I'm pretty sure on the body they did like the minimum. Like here's the bumper. They did no prep work at all to pretty much any plastic piece, like how they're supposed to. So yeah, this paint is pretty bad, and I did not want to paint this truck, but I'm gonna have to for you guys. What I was originally gonna do is just wherever the paint is peeling or messed up or anything, I was just gonna get that recolor matched and everything to match the hood, and color match the grill, a few other things that I wanted to do with the grill to match the wheels. But now in the end, we're gonna be painting the truck. What color? We don't really know. A lot of people are saying red. A lot of people are saying like a royal blue type of color. Some people are saying nardo gray. A few people said pink, purple. But I think I know what color I'm gonna be painting this truck. So big shout out to Gutierrez Auto Works. We're gonna be seeing them pretty soon within the next 2 vlogs. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be painting the truck, and we only have like freaking 1 month left till this giveaway is over. So man, I'm freaking excited. But yeah, the paint was bad. Don't want to leave it to you guys like that. But the price they gave me is pretty much the price of color matching everything. So we're gonna do it for you guys. But in a little bit, we're gonna go film some stuff, talk a little bit more about the color. All right, for you guys that wanted a lower truck, here you go. Damn guys, the truck is looking freaking beautiful. And to think that it's still gonna get painted and it's gonna look even better once it's painted, holy shit. But another thing we also gotta fix, radiator is leaking, so we gotta buy a radiator. And also we're gonna also go out to El Pulgoso probably around the same time once the paint is done, to line up the front end a little bit more, because they do a freaking great job. They just fixed up one of my homies trucks, La Troca 94, his new extended cab. That truck front end was freaking messed up, and these guys did some magic. Everything is lined up perfectly and it looks great. So this truck's also gonna be going to them. man, just things here and there that we got to get fixed, so it's ready for one of you guys. So if you guys haven't gotten your entries in, get your entries in now, because all of May is 10-time entries, which we're going to be announcing too on Instagram, which you guys probably already seen. I'm sure we're going to announce that right away, at least by Cinco de Mayo, and a discount as well for Cinco de Mayo, which you guys are probably watching after. So you guys, if you missed it, I'm sorry, but that's it. But yeah, the truck is looking great. Look at that, man. This front end is beautiful. Stop. All right, guys, it is all right, guys, it is Cinco de Mayo, and all right, now that we know for sure it's getting fully painted, I'm taking this shit off.
You know I'm not Mexican?
Just like that. What are you?
Salvadorian.
No, you're not.
Yeah, sure.
What?
I bet you never knew that.
I didn't know that.
No, nobody did. I'm more Mexican than I am Salvadorian, probably.
What, for real?
Yeah.
So you're Salvadorian?
Yeah.
So that don't mean anything.
Mom and dad's side.
Both sides?
Both sides.
Damn, you're 100%.
I'm more Mexican than anything else, but yeah.
That's crazy. Salvadorian, Mexican, Guatemalan, Chileno, whatever you are. We all the same. It's a brotherhood, sisterhood. It's a family. Bagel Crew is a family. Don't matter what race you are, where you were born, when you were born. It does not matter what you drive. A lot of people think just because you don't have a truck, you can't be in Bagel Crew. Anybody can be in Bagel Crew, because it's a community, not a club. It's a movement. Stop hating on each other. Let's come together and do what we love to do. No, get my kid. Just kidding. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Fuck. Fuck. Damn. Oh my God. Oh shit. If you have good paint, this shouldn't be happening. Yeah. Alright. It's all good. After a freaking inspirational talk I just gave, and yeah. But damn, it looks way better without that thing. I don't know, Remy. I don't know why you would put that on the truck.
BigOldCrew.com y solo hoy, 5 de mayo, disfrute de 10% de descuento en lo que sea, camisas, cachuchas, lo que tú quieras. Y también entras para ganar esta troca hoy, solo hoy, 5 de mayo. Puedes ganar esta troca. BigOldCrew.com.